I-type 2 diabetes is progressive. Batsho njalo kutshoni lokho. Ngicela ulalele ivideo yami until the end. I'm hoping to keep it very short. Kodwa ukuchasisa isindebele phela kunzima, kugcina kuyenza ibe yinkalakatha yento. Ngicela ulalele. Nxa besithi i-progressive kutsho ukuthi with time it gets worse. Loba unatha amaphilisi it gets worse. Why? Iphilisi is only controlling sugar. Iphilisi alilaphi ama-cells. Remember, type 2 diabetes ubele problem yama-cells avele engasalaleli i-insulin. You were insulin resistant for years. Yeah, ukuze befike ku diagnosis uhambe 4 years awuzange uphonga uvuka kwathiwa kusasa nje usulama cells umzimba wonke awusalaleli. No, siqayisa nge-insulin resistance. Yikho sonke sibuya sisithi let's reverse insulin resistance ngoba isihambisa endaweni eziningi. Kungaba yi-non-alcoholic fatty liver, kungaba yi-PCOS, kungaba yi-inflammation, kungaba ama-kidney problems. Kunengi okuqalise nge-insulin resistance. Kodwa kakhulu vele type 2 there's no two ways about it. Even sengazama uku-argue kakhulu ngama-genes, eqinisweni u-type 2 even ugogo lokhulu lo baba lo mama lo malume babe type 2 diabetic. Wena ungatshintsha i-lifestyle yakho utshintsha ukudla kwakho, that doesn't affect you. This is how much this problem is a problem yokudla more than okunye singakhuluma ngakho. This is not type 1, this is type 2. Right, ekwenzeni njalo ngifuna ukunanzelela ukuthi ithiwa progressive ngoba uhambe ukuzidiagnose. And what makes it worrying is, remember sesilabantwana pre-teenagers, teenagers, even younger. There is a 9-year-old okuthiwa type 2 diabetes. Zibuza ukuthi kuqalise nini ukumphambanisa, uqalise nini ungena kwi-insulin resistant. Kutsho ukuthi even abantwana bethu yazi ukuthini, yeah, silomsebenzi when it comes to ukudla lokhu bayithi asizincedisenini. Umntwana kutsho ukuthi uqalisele 2 years vele bese ama-cells abeseqalisile ukungalaleli. Kudala we knew ukuthi u-type 2 vele bekungumkhuhlane wabantu abadala, ubusiba diagnosed with type 2 diabetes usukhulile. Why? Uqala u-insulin resistant for years, ama-cells akho asalalela u-insulin. It goes for 7, 10, 15, 20, 25 years. This process is happening and the body tries to overcompensate. Yeah, you've got your storage cells, our liver, our muscle, our fat cells. They're absorbing that sugar, they are keeping it. But once you keep on doing this and you're not reversing it, you're not exercising, you're constantly bringing carbohydrates and sugar, what happens is this problem continues until your storage cells also cannot take it anymore. Nxa sebesithi pre-diabetic, kusiya ngami bengizahle ngutshe diabetic. Treat it like you're diabetic when you're pre-diabetic. Because already the message is your storage cells are no longer helping you. That says a lot. Yeah? So this disease gets worse and worse. Complications, wounds asahili, usule blindness and all. That's the painful truth. But the good truth is that it is reversible. Even ule 10 years diagnosed with type 2, you can start making a change now. It is reversible. Yes, it may have made so much damage and you need a bit more time. Let's work together. For the coming 3 months, ngicela sizame intermittent fasting. Ngicela sizame ukuthi singafaka ama-carbohydrates. You don't need that. You don't need those starchy carbohydrates. You don't need those high GI carbohydrates. Let's work together. I'm here. Let's be accountable to each other. You can reverse this. Pre-diabetes, type 2, insulin resistant, do not relax. Check my signs and symptoms. You're starting to feel them. Food noise, cravings, you're struggling with this. Don't relax. Work on it. And it's not our fault. It's the food. It's the food. It has changed over time. It has. Somebody uyenza imali ngathi thina sigula asizincedisenini bakithi. Ngawolo mbuzo buya njalo ungakhohlwa, it is progressive. Each day as you go on, if you're not doing anything about it, you are heading towards the progressive direction. But each day, if you're doing something about it, those baby steps, they'll go a long way in you reversing it. Ngiyabonga.